Good morning, babies. You look busy. What are you doing? Oh, you're decorating the playground for the school fair. It's cool. Steady now, Sonny. You don't want to drop them. Oh, no, watch out. There's nails on the ground. Ow, that's gotta hurt. Oops. Oh, dear, Sonny's got a puncture. And look at Sticky Chili. What a mess. Nice job, Chili. But what about Sonny? What's that, Barry? You should take Sonny to the hospital? Good idea. Yeah, with a flat tire, it's hard to drive straight. Oh, no. Be careful. Wait, Chili, it's not safe to go through a red light. Hang on in there, Sonny. I'm sure your friends will come along soon. Hurry, guys. Sonny needs all the help she can get. Awesome. But how can you stop her? Good job, Barry. Watch out for Sonny's flat tire. Maybe it's better to drive slowly and stay close. Amber's got a plaster and medicine. Thanks, Amber.
Hey.
Now, Tom's gonna tow Sonny to the tire shop.
Ooh.
Hi, Massimo. Can you help? Maybe you guys can distract her. Oh, funny babies. That's right, Sonny. The tire's fixed, but it needs more air. Look at that. Just like new. Hey, Lily. Well, Sonny had an accident, but she's all fixed up. What brave babies. Chili's found a nice gift to say sorry. Now, babies, go have fun. Ahoy, babies! How do you like Pirate Carl? Are you ready for a treasure hunt? If you succeed, there'll be a treasure. What are you looking for, babies? It's a treasure map. What does it say, Sonny? So the map told you to come here? How mysterious! Look at you guys. You look like real pirates. Ahoy, Billy. I see you're part of the treasure hunt as well. If you want to dig out of the treasure, you guys will need a shovel. Good job, babies! Well done! You found where the treasure is buried. Let's start digging. Don't worry, babies. I'm sure that's not a real ghost. He just wants to steal your candy. Blimey! What a lovely treasure! And what an adventure! Thanks, Carl. Thanks, Billy. Are you learning all about flying and stars, babies? Look at the stars glowing. Jenny has a surprise field trip for you, babies. Look, it's baby Rocky's dad. Babies, do you want to learn to fly like Rocky? Do you know how to fly? A trampoline helps you jump high, but it doesn't seem to help you fly. Barry, do you want to try the trampoline? Oh, that's okay. Do you have any other ideas, babies? Balloons, great idea. Yeah, cars are too heavy to float with balloons. Do you have an idea, baby Rocky? Bubblegum. Baby Rocky needs a partner for his experiment. Oh, so close. What's that? You have a surprise? Wow, a magic carpet? Jenny will meet you back at the school. You want to race back to school? What fun! Where's Barry? There he is! Jump on, Barry. The babies are racing against baby Rocky. Oh! Maybe Barry is scared of heights. Any idea on how to help him? Hey, the magic carpet will fly really close to the ground, Barry. Racing with your friends is all about having fun. Look at baby Rocky fly. Paper airplanes are a fun way to learn to fly.